What's going on today, guys? The Creator here, back with another video for the Foxbody right here, the 6 Fox. I've been looking up on YouTube trying to figure out, because I got this car from a guy that lost the keys to the trunk of it. You know, with the Foxbodies, they have like 4 different keys. They have a different key for the ignition, different key for the door, glove box, and the trunk. I don't have the glove box, so I don't have to worry about that key. I have the door key, and I don't have to worry about the ignition key because I'm using the SN95 dash, so I'm using the keys from those. So I don't have to worry about that, but I do have it. But unfortunately, I do not have the trunk key. And I've been looking up on YouTube trying to figure out if they have videos on how to replace this, and there's no videos on it, so I think I should make one. Why not, huh? So first thing that I did was I was taking a look at it just to see what I got going on. First, you're gonna need the actual, you know, the new locking mechanism. Here's everything that comes with it, basically. I took the tags out just so I can feel around in there, and I see that this has something to do with the lock. So you're gonna have to drill this rivet out to get it out. Give me just a second and I'll drill this right out. And after all that, you just pull it straight out. Now, that's what this piece is for, to replace that part that just came out. So you don't have to really worry about saving this piece anymore. But after that, all you really have to do is get right in here. Probably gonna need a flathead. Just pull it out. It's kind of hard me doing this with one hand, so let me put that on the camera. Alright guys, I was wrong. It doesn't just pull straight out like it should. Apparently you need to take this part off. And it got these 12 millimeter bolts on here. Just loosen 3 of those up, and here's what you got back here. Basically, that's the back of your lock mechanism, and what you want to do is pull those clips out so you can pull it straight out. So you can just pull up on it and it should come out. Here it is. Here's the front of it, and this is the back of it. Basically, what you have to do is slide this up. But the only way to slide this up is these little clips. Let me take it apart. These little clips right here on the bottom was clipped down into this. So you have to kind of pry those out the way, right in here, these little tabs. Pry those out the way in order to pull it up. Then you can pull that off. And now we just put it back together. Basically, you put this inside the trunk. You place this in here, where it's supposed to go. Kind of twist it around and line it up to when it's right. And with this right here, I'm going to put in the back part right here and basically kind of pry it up to make sure you get, let me see, the springs right there. There you go. Make sure you get all of it. And then just pry it up and put it back together. That's how you do it. And don't forget to put your gasket on here too for your key. And once you get everything together, you check and see if it's gonna work. So, finagle the key in there, and there we go. We now got a key for our trunk latch. If you want to, go to Late Model Restoration and get you that 3-in-1 key pack, so you can have all the same door keys and the same trunk key and the same what's it called, glove box key. You get all those keys together, you know how to put the trunk key in. That's about it for this one. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I just got back from Nashville, so I just want to make that quick video for you guys. I'm tired. I noticed that YouTube didn't have videos on that actually installing it, so there you go. You're welcome. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And yeah, follow along with the build.